Most relationships don't end with a fight. There's one thing people almost never notice in time, because, on the outside, everything looks fine. A friend of mine used to say, "We're good, everything's stable. No fights, no drama, just life." You can use any bread for this recipe. Sometimes, I use a loaf instead of regular bread. It makes it a little sweeter. Let's toast it on both sides. I once asked him, "Do you guys actually talk?" He said, "Yeah, every day." So, I asked, "No, I mean really? Talk about you?" He paused, then said, "Not really." But it didn't bother him, because in his mind, no problems meant everything was fine. Oh, I didn't even mention the eggs. For this recipe, you'll need about 6 eggs. Then, one day, he picked up her phone. Not to check it, just needed something. And he accidentally opened her notes. There were a few short lines, and one of them said, "I don't feel like I'm in a relationship anymore." You could use any greens you like here. Whatever's your favorite. I'm using parsley? I really like how it looks here. I almost forgot the salt and spices. Again. He said everything just dropped inside him, because the person next to him already felt that way, and he had no idea. Then he scrolled a little more and saw another line. If I leave, he probably won't even notice right away. Let's pour it over the bread. That looks so good. That's when it really hit him. This wasn't anger. This wasn't a fight. This was someone who had already checked out. He started thinking. She used to talk. She used to share. She tried. And him. Tired. Later, it's fine. Now, carefully place the tomatoes on top. And at some point, she just stopped. No drama. New ultimatums. Just silence. Let's grate the cheese. That night, he asked her directly, "Do you really feel this way?" She said, "We're fine." Like always. But he already knew. And then she said, "I just got used to you not caring." A few days later, she told him, "I think I need some space." No fight, no emotions, just a decision that had been made a long time ago. Wow, I didn't even notice it was already done. That smells so good. And that's when he realized something. He wasn't scared of her leaving. He was scared that she had already left. She just hadn't walked out yet. Not cheating. Not a fight. Just losing someone without even noticing it. He tried to fix it. Not with big words. Just showing up, talking, being there. And that's probably the real point. Not everything is perfect. But you're finally there again. So here's the question. If things are quiet in your relationship, is it because everything is good? or because someone already stopped trying.